This is one of the oldest pieces of technology you can still buy new. Visiting cards showed up in 15th century China, where aristocrats used them to announce themselves at the door. 7 centuries later, we're still handing rectangles to strangers and hoping they'll call. So it's a fair question. Are business cards still relevant? Almost nothing survives 700 years without doing something right. And yet, of the roughly 10 billion business cards printed every year, about 88% are in the trash within a week. Between 700 years of tradition and 1 week of shelf life, what went wrong? This video is about what happened and what's replacing it. Quick vocabulary lesson first, because the definition has changed over the years. A business card is a card that carries your name, title, company, and contact details, and in 2026, it can be paper, digital, or a physical card with a chip inside. People do still use them, but ask a room of professionals and the vote splits. Some love the ritual because it's a small ceremony in handing someone a card that a link can't replace, but others haven't handed out a paper card in years. Why? Paper's problem starts at the printer, because the moment a card is printed, it's the last moment it's guaranteed to be accurate. Change your number or your company, and every card you've ever handed out is wrong, with no way to reach the people holding them. Then there's the typing. Keeping your details means entering them by hand, and no one wants to spend their Uber ride home from the conference entering every single person they've met manually into their contacts app. So a lot of details either get saved wrong or never get saved at all. Paper runs out too, usually mid-event, and restocking costs money. A basic box runs about $50 US, and premium designs can pass $1,000. Multiply that across every reprint, because for every detail changed, you pay again. The environmental math is not easy either. 10 billion cards are printed a year and 88% are tossed. That's roughly 8 billion cards heading to landfill every year. So what's the better option to paper business cards? 3 formats are doing most of the replacing. Number 1, the digital business card. A live profile shared as a link or a QR code, saving your details straight into the other person's phone. Nobody types anything in, and when something changes, everyone you've ever met gets the current version. Number 2, the NFC business card. One physical card with a chip inside. Tap it against a phone and your profile opens. It keeps the tangible handoff traditions alive while the details underneath stay digital. And number 3, the dynamic email signature. Your card at the bottom of every email you send, which is where a lot of professional relationships actually live. Plenty of professionals run all 3 at once, and the market has noticed too. Digital business cards are now a $215 million industry, projected to more than triple by 2035. If you're looking into moving to digital business cards for your networking, here are the 4 things I'd suggest to make it worthwhile. 1, go digital or go hybrid. Either use an app or an NFC for something to hand over without inheriting the problem that comes with paper cards. 2, put it everywhere. Your QR code can live on slide decks, your LinkedIn profile, your email signatures, your conference badge, or your virtual meeting background. If someone can see it, someone can scan it and save your details instantly. 3, keep it current. Out-of-date details are where follow-ups go to die. On a digital card, an update takes seconds and reaches everyone at once. 4, take the design seriously. People read a card as a preview of who you are and how you work. A cramped clip art layout is telling someone something, so make sure your card says what you want it to. Now let's answer some questions you might be asking right about now. Are business cards still worth it? For people who meet face-to-face, yes, and a digital card is worth more than paper because it works in person and virtually. Do people actually keep paper business cards? Mostly no. Around 88% are thrown out or get lost within a week, usually because the service isn't needed at that exact moment. When should you hand out a business card? After some rapport. It shouldn't be the first thing you give out. Opening with it makes the conversation feel transactional. Are digital business cards better than paper? They do way more. Instant sharing, live updates, links, and engagement data. For a tangible handoff too, pair a digital profile with an NFC card. If you're looking for a digital business card to switch to, I'd honestly recommend Blinq, the #1 rated digital business card on G2 amongst 4 million users from 500,000 companies. The individual card is free, and the free tier includes your digital card, an email signature, and a virtual meeting background. Your first card takes about 2 minutes to build. The links to download and sign up are in the description below. Try it on the next person you meet, and I'll see you in the next one.